Smoothie and bakery. Punaluʻu Bakery. Welcome to the southernmost bakery in the U.S. Because the internet is down.
So good. You decide what you wanted?
No. Looks delicious though. And it smells so good. I mean, don't look at me. Look at that.
Thank you. You got it?
Okay.
I can open the next question in line.
Turkey sandwich?
Yeah.
Bake Shop.
Hey Joshy, what's for lunch?
Punaluʻu Bake Shop here on the south shore of Hawaii. We got ourselves some traditional malasadas. We got guava. That's just an original, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is passion fruit lilikoi with lilikoi frosting on top. We got chocolate, and we got two Bismarck's chocolate malasada with vanilla cream on the inside. And then I got myself a turkey sandwich, and we got ourselves some sweet rolls, traditional sweet rolls. Ashley got herself a breakfast sandwich. Yum. Is this good?
Seems it's a passion fruit.
Okay, first one I'm gonna try. Passion fruit with passion fruit glaze. I'm guessing they have something on the inside. Maybe not. Is it just the glaze?
It's just a passion fruit glaze.
Passion fruit glaze. That's pretty good.
So these are like the traditional malasadas. And then she said that these are still like malasadas made with the sweetbread. And because malasada is dough, right?
Yeah, it's a little different. But we'll see.
Never you said we'll take two of them. One of them.
It's gonna fall out the other end.
You almost got them.